train mode. Hey. Hello. Yo, what up? Nothing much. We're gonna see how my computer fares today. I'm trying to stream at 1080p 60 today, which I haven't actually done from this computer before. We're gonna see if we can do that and play like a game at the same time. Me and Darkle are gonna grind out the train mode a bit. Get some XP, have some fun. It's good. Be running trains. Yeah, you could say that. You could say that. He's gonna play Apex and it's pretty pog. Nice. It's a pretty fun game. Doo. I wonder what my loadout is today. Ba ba da da ba. You got a train mode ad? Oh, cool. All right, warm up game. I was just outside and it's kind of cold out, so gotta get the blood going. How will you spend your Christmas, Dad? I'm probably gonna stream, because I'm not going to see my family. And it's not like I can go do anything else around here. Hey, we got a TTV on the team. TTV Horizon. We better go crazy.
With an eye in the sky, there's nothing to fear.
Do.
Here's your champ. Hopefully it's me.
We're in 7-7 and a frog loop bopped me into the jelly. Ooh, rough.
Squad holding the train to gain points.
Let's get it. You streaming? Oh man, my guy's got a Havoc today. That sucks.
Train stopping.
Oh, they're not streaming. Well, at least I get a Hemlock.
Marking our surroundings.
Okay, I was like, why is that other guy not shooting at me?
Like that, we got first blood. Recharging my shields. The all-seeing eye. Backing out
Now, if only we could get on the point.
recharging my shields. Sorry, kids, the train has been claimed. You know that, right?
I thought that was my teammate because of the name that was behind him.
Reloading. Okay, train is moving.
Who are we shooting at?
This thing is really not insured.
Get him, Darkle.
Enemy right here.
That fucking Wraith is like not moving. Rough. Also, I think this is a little bit loud. Let's try like right about here.
The train is stopping at this station. That's pretty literal.
Does my Havoc have a hop up on it? Hey, they're just gonna take the point. No. Fucking point blank Hemlock fight. Super fun. I forgot to check and see if my Havoc has the hop up on it, because it's the secondary. I don't know if it will. Cat got spayed today and she's supposed to be resting, but instead she's sprinting around my room and I'm concerned. Oh no. Tell her to take a chill pill.
Match is almost over. Looks like me. Yeah, boys.
Hey, nice thick Arita.
You had your chance.
Hey, how's the stream look also, everyone? I'm trying to stream at 1080p, 60 frames a second tonight. Is it looking nice and crisp? Yeah, do you always look amazing? Don't butter me up. That's not what I'm asking.
Process of elimination. The squad has won this round. Thank you.
Does anybody have like some, like an R99? Wraith has an R99.
Moving. Keep your arms and legs inside at
Let's
all
try and play
times,
Wraith for like
'cause
the first time
this
ever.
thing is not insured.
It's better than yesterday's stream. It should be. Should be significantly better. Okay, I don't know how to play Wraith for shit, but this has a R99 on it, which is what I want for these close fights. Little T-Dog, thanks for the 7 months. Oh, God. I hate when it spawns me like that. Oh, the camera gets all fucked up. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus.
Hi, everyone. Pick me up.
What's the scope on this? Oh, damn. 3x gang, huh?
Marking our surroundings. Calling upon nature's strength. Another soft landing. Recharging my shields.
Where they at?
Making contact with enemy. Shot fires at me. Rejuvenating.
Peek.
Contact. Going to phase.
Oh, that's like way slower to start up than I thought it would be. Where's the other one? I thought I shot that one! Oh my god, Caustic's so fucking lame! Oh no.
Squad has boarded the train.
Did I not disable that one? Or was there just like a third one like right on the other side of the door? Had my stream locked at 480p. Oh yeah, check your settings. Make sure you're not watching in butthole mode for no reason. Unless your internet's like also going butthole mode. Yeah, this is a rough game. Go crazy, TTV. Am I picking up in game? No, I haven't heard you at all yet, Darkle.
Chop, chop. Time's almost up. Oh, great. Now I'm hungry.
At least one of the squad has boarded the train.
I was gonna say no way. Yeah, Darkle, you haven't said jack shit.
Okay, train's moving. Keep your arms and legs inside at all times, because this thing is really not insured.
I'm not looking to like hop into games with viewers tonight. I'm just kind of vibing, doing some train mode with Darkle. I hope his mic will start working soon. Why? Why does my W just stop moving me forward sometimes? We're going right in, huh? I guess this way I can pick a fight with my Hemlock. Well, if I can find anybody. Ain't nobody out here. I don't like train mode because the Stinky Man is a bit OP. Yeah, he's really annoying. I don't know if I would call him OP. But I'm certainly not a fan.
Someone almost has enough points to win.
Uh-oh.
How are we gonna talk about this one?
It's gamer time.
Oh, it's gamer time. Yeah. But Dad playing Wraith. Oh, just because, like, here I'm like a Cypher and a Pathfinder player. Here, I'll try and use this Scout and the Eva. Fuck it.
The squad has won this round.
Yeah, I played Crypto like all day yesterday because I like Crypto a lot, but he's I don't like his shit today. I was only playing Wraith because she had an R99, and I just really like the R99. Crypto plays her crazy. Oh, thanks. Oh, hey, our teammate quit. Cool. What an asshole. Dude's a wiener. Dude's a wiener. Oh, fuck off, y'all.
Rack up those points, because someone's close to winning.
Oh, hey, this is double tap on it. Sick.
Scanning the area.
Get on the train!
You are not.
Oh, they both have double
Good
tap on
luck
it.
gaming, Dad, and as always, I appreciate your
Oh,
assistance.
Jesus. I couldn't hear either one of y'all. Here he comes. Ah!
One other squad has boarded the train.
So lame. So lame.
The match is almost over. That's like me and
I got stinky.
Hi, boys. What, you had your chance.
Yeah, he does just get like free damage in this game mode. That was a rough game. Oh, these don't count towards the play 2 games reward. Damn. Damn. Ah! Yeah, we're gonna be playing the train mode for a while. Major might hop on later. Said he might want to run some duos tonight, so if that happens, I will let y'all know. What else is in Apex right now? Oh, Mini, that makes sense. Mini do be playing Apex. All aboard the mage train. We would get on the mage train.
Now boarding the Winter Express. Oh, you can bet your sweet caboose you're in for one heck of a ride.
Really been loving these Apex streams, by the way. Oh, hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna try and play more Crypto, because like sometimes I'm gonna have a loadout that sucks that I don't want to use. So we'll just try and get used to it. Also, I think it's funny that in this mode they give you a knockdown shield. Yesterday they gave you a purple knockdown shield, I think. Horizon gets a Scout and a Spitfire. Ugh. What's this game mode? This is the special winter game mode, where it's 3 teams of 3 fighting to control a point on a train that moves around the map to different train like locations that become like the battle area for the. It's a cool little mode. You'll see. It's like a modified King of the Hill.
Hold the train and acquire the most points.
Did I make the music too loud? Crypto seems pretty epic. Crypto seems like nobody fucking plays him. This does not have the hop up. Ugh.
Off and away, you see.
The train is stopping at this station. That's pretty literal.
Oh. The fuck? You rushed me that hard?
Grenade out. Grenade launched.
That scared the shit out of me. Yo, thanks, Darkle. You just saved my balls.
I'm taking fire. Contact.
Oh, it's fucking Gibraltar. No wonder he just kept taking more damage and not dying. Caustic gas, gross. Oh, I see you, bud. Oh, I see you, bud. Oh, that was okay. That was Darkle's. You scared the shit out of me, Darkle. You fucking baited me with that that thermite. I just like stopped trying to heal and got up and tried to run away.
Forced it be like.
Thanks for the fart. That Gibby should have been dead. I shot that Gibby in the face like 1 billion times. Yo, Toxic's going crazy?
You are not the only squad on the train.
Ooh, fuck you, Gibby. Wow, nice aim, Gibby. Oh, fuck you. No! No! You can change legends mid-match. In this game, you can. God, I...
Train has left the station.
Fucking Gibby, man. He was gaming so hard. That Gibby should have been dead twice over. Twice over that round. Brutal. At least we kept no, we stalled the game. No point. Yeah, this Horizon's crazy.
Allfather, give me some.
Taking a pit stop. Never know what we'll be picking up. Or who.
Recharging. At least one other squad has boarded the train. Reloading. Squad on the train.
We got a new kill leader. It's probably me. Or, I don't know, some right here. You snooze, you lose. Somebody capture the train.
Just a sec. Healing up.
Yeah, peek again, bro.
Train's moving. Keep your arms and legs inside at all times.
Ooh, made it back on.
Ah, damn it. Grenade.
I wanted to greet that so bad.
Shields recharging. Ah, dabby dozy if I do say so myself.
Observing this spot.
I've got drone in the back car. I don't know how that caustic trap didn't go off, but I'm happy it didn't.
Train stopping.
Recharging my shield. One other squad has boarded the train. Scanning the area.
They forgot to push.
Captured the train.
Caustic in the back.
One enemy my singular.
Where does this keep us going?
Dude, the curve on the train! This mode's so cool! You just get to have gunfights on a train! Who doesn't want that? Yo, suck my dick, Gibby. Sorry, that was mean. I'm sure you're a wonderful person. Like, canonically. The character frustrates me. That's all.
Someone almost has enough points to win.
I hear you. There you are. That was, whatever, that was sick. Whatever, I heard you run by the train and I jumped out there like a badass. Did y'all see that shit? Gib is a heckin' chonker. You can easily pour a whole clip on him, but he gets a lot of damage reduction, like a lot of flat damage reduction. So like light ammo weapons, he just eats him up. I wish it would let me like spectate somebody.
Last squad standing means they win this round, and they did it doing what they love best, eliminating their friends, confidence, and some may dare say family until none of them were left. Happy holidays, one and all.
Bow, 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 bow.
Train's moving. Better get on it fast.
Bow, now, now, now. Had a chinchilla named Gibby. Aw. Was he a heckin' chonker? You can't one-clip Gib with the R99 if you don't have a mag. That's fucked up. Do, 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 do. Oh. Where did he? Oh, we going straight in, huh? Okay. That's not really the best for my character. Okay, stuck it inside my body. Doesn't matter, my team's sick. Hey, thanks. I was fucking with my drone. Okay. Drone place. Oh, he's super lit. Bro. No. That was so close. I almost killed that guy. Okay, we can't let that Crimson Squad win. But is this cool as Polar Express for the GameCube? This is cooler than Polar Express for the GameCube because this one doesn't get taken down in real time by fucking Warner Brothers. You punched Gibby's shield off? Yo, Darko, we should hop in a Discord call after this. If you're down, you don't have to. It's better than David Cage? Ooh, now that's a tough question. Wait, our fucking teammate quit. What a pussy. Oh my god. Everyone's so weak.
Hope you're having better luck
What,
with
like-
rounds tonight.
like-
Yo.
Fucking 3 O's only or I quit, you diva.
Observing this spot over here.
Guy in this ridge. He's cracked. Fuck that.
Observing the hostile close. Rack up those points, because someone's close to winning.
Where the fuck did you go?
Grenade out.
Push. Ah, man.
Wet ass P-word.
Oh, and Darkle's in the goop. Darkle's in the goop. I can't believe that asshole quit on us. We were doing fine. And now we're gonna lose.
Got our winner.
That's so fucking lame. What a peen. I thought he was a bro. Ugh. Fluffy Garbage Man. Hey, thanks for the Twitch Prime. Draken for the bits. Much appreciated. All right, here. Let's
Maybe I.
Open up Discord. I'll just be enclosed, Darkle.
Hey girl, you like trains?
Sec.
Yeah. Do I have my Discord overlay turned on for this game? Deal 250 damage to Gibraltar? Nope. You can't make me. I need a better R99 skin. I don't actually fuck with this one like at all. That one's better. That one's better by a lot. Wow. Are these the only two skins that I have? Damn. Oh, I want that one. Or the Alchemist. This one's really sick too. This one looks like the classic Lancer from Gears 3. You back, Darkle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you speak again?
Hello.
Okay, I don't have the overlay on. I need to fix that real quick. Games and activities. Where the fuck is Apex Legends?
Oh no, they took the good gun.
Okay, whatever. I can't find it in the list. No overlay. I'm playing with Darkle. Con Air on
me,
DVD.
you know.
Thanks for the 7 months. Welcome back. That's Darkle from the stream chat.
Yeah. Here now.
It's your champion.
Wet ass
Now all his future comments
9
are
months.
voiced.
And
Yeah.
it doesn't seem like it's been that long. I love the streams. They are some of my highlights.
Oh, thanks.
Also, question that's been on my mind for a while.
Oh shit.
What happened to the shopping cart you used to have?
Oh, I don't have that shopping cart anymore, unfortunately. I had to leave it behind when I moved.
Man.
Yeah, I know.
Listen up. Stop the train for a moment.
Up.
Do.
Gibby. No. Well.
Fuck you.
So you know.
Oh,
how-
that's not my teammate. Oh, because our teammate's on the roof. Got it. I don't know. I guess I saw him on the mini map. It was like right behind me. I turned. I was trying to reload and look at the ammo on the ground. Oof.
You snooze, you lose. Somebody captured the train.
So you know how I was playing Bloodhound and Bloodhound's Q gives vision?
Mhm.
I tried to do that, but I forgot I'm playing Pathfinder, so instead of giving vision, I jumped it into the Gibby that was shooting at me.
Ooh, yeah. That'll get you. That'll get you every time.
Auto respawn with
No, Cobra, I'm not gonna ban you. You have a sub, and I want Dawn to get money.
Base.
I can time you out for a week if you want.
Major's trying to message you. Well,
Oh.
I will be able to look at that after this game then. All right, let's not jump down. Oh. Oh, never mind. I thought I heard somebody just jump down. And I was like, what the fuck? There's our Bloodhound. All right, I'm gonna go get set up. I gotta be ready to push this train. Choo choo. Oh, cool! It's two of them. It's two of them, and they came down here. Oh no.
Oh, well.
Well, that's just unfortunate. Okay, maybe now I can see Major's message. Where did he message me?
one auto squad has boarded.
Where did Major try and message me? I don't have anything from him on Discord. I don't have anything on Facebook. Are you full of shit, Chatter? Are you a no good stinking liar?
Hold on, I'm gonna go after me.
Well, if he's not trying to message me, then... I know Major wants to play Apex. That's not you. Can't, someone came in here and said Major is trying to message you. And I don't think that's true. But if we're playing tag through chat, let him know that I'm in the game, and I can invite him in after. Tell him right now we're playing the train mode though. I don't know if he's gonna want to do that.
He sent you a message on Steam.
On Steam? What the?
Yeah.
Bro. If I hear a Steam alert while I'm gaming, I just know not to react.
Are you gaslighting yourself with the not answering Steam messages now? Is that...
Up in the chimney.
No, I just didn't hear one. Two of them down here.
Target over there.
Spotted. Double timing it.
It's on the other side of the objective we're currently at.
Recharging shields.
Caustic traps in the front car. Got eyes on them so that we have wall hacks on those. Isn't that nice?
Wow.
Target spotted. Rack up those points, 'cause
We're on
someone's
match
close to
point.
winning.
Yikes. Oh, where the fuck? With the charge beam?
Recharging shields.
Yeah. Oh, you can't. Okay, you can't hold shot off the train. Noted.
Hey, you gotta shoot the base of those. Gibby's hurt in the back.
Oh, there's a Bangalore back here.
Yeah, there is.
Doctor. I don't know where the fuck Gibby is.
Oh, stunned by the Arc Star. No.
That's a caustic trap. Hey, maybe Rust got this.
I mean, I don't see any. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well. I don't know. They're still fighting.
Yeah.
A Steam message. Wait. Oh, well, I'm invisible on Steam, aren't I? That might do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm invisible. That's why. Online. There we go.
Hey.
Oh, hey, they won? Alright, sick. I was tapped out.
Let's go, Rust Squad.
Hope you have a good time. Thanks, Deserac. Appreciate it. I'm just big chillin'.
Train has left the station.
Oh, I hate getting stun effect by the Arc Star. It's so rough. Like, it's one thing when I'm in cover, but like I had just slid out the back door and was trying to swing.
I cannot. I died too fast to get affected by the stun, so I can't really. I'm sure it's troublesome. Can I? No. You can't activate the hook shot at all.
You can't do anything while you're up there. You can't even bring open your inventory.
That's fine.
It's really strange.
Someone on the roof.
On the roof or on the?
Like,
Oh.
there.
Picking up. For who?
Don't.
It was pretty funny.
Look, man. I've never played this character. I just want the good gun. Crack.
Gibby's lit as fuck. On the roof.
Alright, down the side. Down the middle car.
Yeah, they are.
Someone's kind of going into the back train. Watching this one. There we go.
Domed his ass.
Hell yeah.
Bow, bow.
Squad has won this round.
Bow, bow. Clean. Now I can get set up.
Good luck out there. Hope you've all been keeping up with your training.
Hey,
Oh my.
hey.
Hey.
Aw.
I've got ult ready, so if we need to push off the train, I can just like pop the whole thing.
Alright.
I know you're gonna hear me double when I do that, so sorry. We'll have to get Major in this call. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
We should actually move to the B call. I'm pretty sure Oklahomies can just click that one.
Oh, word.